Hey you guys, today I am going to show you how I make green Kheema Masala. It is one of the most loved dish at my place. We love to have this with naan pav. It adds a very nice flavor to the Kheema. To make it more healthier, I add palak. You get lovely green color, plus it's always good to add leafy veg in your diet. So let's see how I make it. First step is to blanch the spinach. Second step is to grind all the greens like spinach, handful of coriander leaves, 7 whole green chillies, handful of mint leaves, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and add little water and make a paste. Now heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add finely chopped curry leaves, 1 or 2 bay leaf. To this I am adding 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions. Fry this well till it becomes translucent. And now I am adding 1 chopped tomato and saute till it becomes soft and mushy. Now add in the ground green paste. Give this a very good mix. Close the lid and cook for 7 to 8 minutes in a medium-high heat. Add 1 teaspoon salt. And now I am going to add mutton Kheema. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. To this I am adding 1 cup of green peas and 1 cup of cubed potatoes. Add little water if you want. Cover with lid and cook over medium-high heat. Adjust salt if needed. Let it cook till the cubed potato and green peas are cooked well. Once done, add half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix well and turn off the flame. Green Kheema Masala is ready to serve. Serve this with anything like naan, pav, roti. It tastes best with anything. I have made this with mutton Kheema. You can use beef or chicken Kheema as well. So try this at your home and let me know how it turned out for you. Do tag us on our Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Have a nice day.